Oh, it's just a fantastic facility. We've got access to the simulator and the other provision of the dartboard and the pool tables, and it's a recreation area. We get people come in and play cards and so on. So it's just a great meeting point, and socially it's superb. I use all of the facilities here. I do indeed, yes. I played the putt-putt through to the practice rounds, and playing with Pebble Beach was a bit of a treat. Whenever I've got an hour spare, I'll come up here and either do some practice or have a practice round. The variety is sensational, and the sophisticated system is just remarkable. It tells you the flight of the ball, the club head speed and all the rest of it. It's just remarkable. So you can use it to really improve the skills and have a lot of fun in the meantime as well. I thought it wouldn't be much chop for the putting, but it's so sophisticated. As we were saying earlier, if it tells you you've got a 3-foot putt and you intentionally hit it 2 foot, it's going to tell you you didn't make the grade. So yeah, it's really clever. And it does compel you to allow for the slope of the green. If you hit it straight and there's a slope, you're going to miss. So no, it's really, I'm impressed with how sophisticated the system is. It's just terrific. If you're going to the driving range, it's quite time consuming to do that. But here, I can pull the driver out, and if I'm starting to get a bit tired, I hit 20, 30 shots of driver, I can pull the dartboard up and work on the short game or the putting. So yeah, you can wrap it all up inside an hour. I have got grandkids that have been here. The attraction is all the lights and bells and whistles, and it's terrific. And anything that can encourage kids into playing golf is terrific, and it's a great lead-in from that aspect as well. Gets them active and teaches them some skills, and yeah, encourages them to take it further. That's a great draw card, and as I said, I bring family and friends in here, and this is always one of the features I like to point out to them, whether they're golfers or not. So at least we can have a bit of a putt-putt. So yeah, I use it a lot. It's great.